How to create an accessible Microsoft Word document. Accessible document is a document created to be easily readable by a sighted reader as a low vision or an unsighted reader. By creating accessible document, individuals who use screen reader will easily maneuver through the document. In this tutorial, I will cover the basic principles to create a Word document that is more accessible. First, you need to set a document title. To do so, go to File, Properties, Summary, write your title here. Also fill any important information like author, company, keywords, comments. Second, always use header. To do so, go to Home and then select from the style here. You also can change the style, the font style, the size, the color from here. Third, use table of content, and that's especially if the document is very long. It's easy to maneuver like this. And to do so, go to the Reference tab, Table of Content, and you need first to do the header, and then after that you will be able to create the table of content. Fourth, avoid using blank space. Instead, here, if you don't want the reference in the same page, you go to Insert, Pages, Page Break. Last, to check the overall accessibility of this document, go to Tools, check accessibilities. Here's the accessibility checker. You will have a note here to tell you about if there's any issues. It will also tell you how and what is the issue and how to change it. Last important things to know that when typing a document, never use a font size less than 12. And also, if you're considering choosing color, always choose the one here. If you're choosing different colors, make sure that there is enough contrast between the white background and the color. Hope you find this tutorial helpful for you, and always remember, accessible document create equal access for information.